This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, Zucchini Kugel Muffins. Passover Seder is a festive celebration of freedom and a symbolic ritualized meal commemorating the Israelites' liberation from slavery in ancient Egypt. We eat specific foods in a structured order of events, including retelling the Exodus story. Behind every single Jewish holiday is this simple mantra: we fought, we won, let's eat. If you know that in a rush to leave Egypt, the Israelites could not wait for bread to rise, so nothing leavened is eaten during the week-long commemoration. The word kugel has German roots meaning ball or sphere, but the dish is a traditional Ashkenazi Jewish dish, not German. Most well-known are noodle or potato kugel, which are commonly served on Shabbat and other Jewish holidays. Here's a delicious zucchini kugel recipe for any day and kosher for Passover. Make it. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic, okay?
This is one of my favorite kugels. Oh yeah. Quality control is a tough job, but someone's got to do it. Let's eat.